Hello guys, welcome back. Let's make some delicious oven baked catfish. So the next thing you have to do is to wash and clean your catfish thoroughly. So after that, you cut it this way, you make a hole on it so that the seasoning will penetrate inside it. So this is celery and parsley. So I have to cut it and then blend them into a smooth paste. So this is green pepper. I'll go ahead and garlic. So after blending, you can see how the consistency, how smooth it came out. So after that, I'll put rosemary, chicken seasoning, and then salt. I'll stir it properly until it's well combined. So I'm going to rub it around the fish. I'm going to massage it properly. Then I'm going to cover it and leave it in the fridge for 12 hours. Then the next thing is to pop it into the oven until it's golden and juicy and perfectly cooked. Serve it hot and enjoy the mouth-watering dish straight from oven. Don't forget to follow for more tasty recipe from Chizzy Delish Kitchen. Thank you for watching and bye. Hello food lovers, welcome back to Chizzy Delish Kitchen. Let's make some mouth-watering suya today. So the first thing you have to do is to put any kind of beef you want to use to make this suya inside your freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. So next thing you have to do is you slice it into a tiny strips. Putting it inside the freezer will help you to slice it into a tiny strips. So you go ahead and add your ginger, garlic, onions, oregano, then your paprika and curry powder. So you add in your salt and your chicken seasoning. So next is we season it with our signature suya spice mixed with granules, peanut butter. So you give it a nice massage. So after that, you put in your vegetable oil, a little bit of vegetable oil. Then you cover it for, let's say, for 10 minutes. Then you place it on your oven rack and pop it inside the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. The aroma that will be coming inside your kitchen is irresistible. The taste is pure magic. You can serve it hot with onions or tomatoes, depending on what you want to. Even and cucumber, you can serve it with anything you want. Sprinkle on some extra suya spice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more delicious recipes from Chizzy Delish Kitchen. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time in my next one. Bye.